Marketing Agent South presents tutorials on how to use the Combi oven, how to preheat the oven. Whenever you get into your mode of cooking, whether convection, combi, or steam, you need to preheat your oven before cooking. Your preheat button is here with the thermometer and the up arrow icon. Press the button and type in whichever temperature you need to. Steam is obviously at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the checkmark icon. Currently, the oven is displayed at 106 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's raising the temperature to 212 degrees. An alert will sound to let you know when the cooking cycle is finished. Press the convection icon. The function works the same as the previous steam function demo, so press the thermometer and up arrow icons. Type in your desired temperature, in this case 400 degrees, then press the checkmark icon and it will raise the temperature. This oven also has a temperature down feature, which are the thermometer and down arrow icons. Press that. If you are at 350 degrees and you need to lower the temperature to 212 degrees, type in your temperature, press the checkmark icon, and it will ask you to open the door. And when it reaches your desired temperature, an alert will sound. How to program and edit a recipe. Say for instance you want to set a recipe for biscuits. Press the Combi mode icon. At the bottom of the screen you will see a notebook and a pencil icon. When you press the icon, a blank screen appears. This is asking what your first step is, and you can program up to 5 steps per procedure. In this instance, our biscuit is only 1 step. Press the Combi mode icon. The temperature is already programmed to 350 degrees, so we don't need to change it, but we do need to change the program cook time to 11 minutes instead of an hour and 10 minutes. Press the time icon and enter the time, in this case 11 minutes. Press the checkmark icon to confirm the entry, and there's our recipe. At the bottom right of the screen there is a green checkmark icon. Press that and the keypad will appear. Here we need to type in biscuits. Press the green check mark to confirm it and your recipe is set. So now when your staff comes in and they're cooking biscuits in the morning, after they preheat the oven, they can press the recipe icon. There is our pre-programmed biscuit icon. Press that and the biscuits are ready to cook. Say you cook the biscuits in the morning and they're not quite done, that is, they need more time to cook. What you can do now is edit the cooking mode. At the bottom of the screen, there is a book and gears icon. When you press the icon, the background of the screen will change from blue to red. You are now in edit mode, so you can edit any recipe that is in your recipe file. What if you want to edit your biscuit file and add 2 minutes to your cook time? Press the biscuit icon and it will highlight that button. At the bottom of the screen, there is a pencil and notebook icon. When you press the icon, your pre-programmed biscuit recipe will appear. Press the time icon. In this instance, it is programmed to 11 minutes, and then enter 13 minutes. Press the green check mark to confirm the change. Press the other green check mark icon towards the bottom right of the screen. The type pad menu will appear in case you want to change the name. In this instance, we want to keep the name, so press the green check mark icon. And now you have changed your biscuit recipe. How to use the core temperature probe. So you want to cook a turkey. Press the Combi mode icon. Here we want to change the temperature to 325 degrees. So press the temperature on the screen and enter 325 degrees. Press the green checkmark icon to confirm the change. At the bottom left of the white portion of the screen, there is a core temperature icon. To the right of the icon is a blank space. When you press anywhere in the blank space, your internal temperature will appear. Here we will change the internal temperature to 170 degrees and press the green checkmark icon. Next, let us pretend that we have put our turkey into the oven. The core temperature probe will read from 3 different points. You need to place it in the thickest part of the meat of the turkey, or, in this instance, a pan of water. Shut the oven door, press the green triangle, which resembles a play icon, in order to start the cooking process. As your turkey is cooking, the internal temperature will rise. When it reaches 170 degrees, the oven will beep indicating that the turkey is finished cooking. Also, during the cooking process, if you want to see how long your turkey has been cooking, you can press the time icon to determine how long it has been cooking. How to back up your oven recipes to a flash drive. First, you need to insert the USB drive into the USB port. This is located to the left of the screen underneath the water nozzle. On the main screen, there is an icon with a Combi and a down arrow. Press it, then press the book with the up arrow icon. This will download it to your flash drive. Once the media has finished uploading, press the green checkmark icon and your USB drive is loaded with the backup information. If you want to install the recipes that are on your USB backup drive onto your oven, press the same icon, which is the Combi with the down arrow. Then press the book with the down arrow icon for the recipes to go back to your Combi. You are also able to record your HACCAAP information to a flash drive. This will only work when you are using the temperature probe in your oven. To do this, press the Combi and gear icon, then press the right pointed green arrow, then press your HACCAAP button. At the bottom, there is another HACCAAP button. Press that and it will download that to your flash drive for easy viewing on your computer. When you are finished uploading the data onto the flash drive, simply remove the drive from the USB port and screw the cap back on. How to preheat and use the browning function. One last critical issue we want to remind you about is the preheating. When preheating, you always want to make sure that you are selecting the correct mode. In addition, when you pull the product out of the oven is cooling. This oven is designed for precise cooking, so if the oven door is open, the oven is cooling, so you would need to close the door and press the preheat button again. That will bring your oven back up to temperature, and then you will have consistency with your next batch. When the cooking is completed and you want to go to the next product, you can search by scrolling with the arrow left or right to the desired product and press that particular button. This product is a two-step process. 350 degrees for 3 minutes in the Combi mode, and then it will switch to convection. At that time, you will see a browning function that will open and you will see steam venting. That crisps and browns the product. We have also designed these ovens so that in the last 2 minutes of the cooking cycle, the oven will vent the steam, so you will not have any additional steam venting into the room. When opening the door, make sure that you stand to the side and open the door.